Okay guys, March 6, day 1 ng road trip namin. Gabi kami babiyahe kasi dami nangyari. Anyway, so ito yung namin. Hopefully makapag-drive kami kahit 5 hours para mabawasan yung trip namin tomorrow. Okay, let's go. See you in Vegas. Okay guys, time check, 12 midnight. Nag-stop ako dito sa rest stop kasi sabi pag di pa ako nag-stop dito, ang kasunod na rest stop 125 miles. Kaya ko pa sana, hindi pa ako inaantok. Kaso hindi pa ako nagtututbrush, hindi pa ako uminom ng gamot ko, no? So kaya ko pa sana idlip lang ako. Pag hindi ako idlip, drive ulit. So toothbrush muna. Kaso ang pangit lang dito sa rest stop na to, kasama namin yung mga truck. Yung mga rest stop na hiwalay ang truck sa sa private cars So andun ang restrooms. Restrooms over here. Very small rest area. Oh. And nobody's here, so again, the restroom. Okay, that's fine. Let's go. Go back to the car. Texas Hill Country. Hi guys, day 1 is over. So good night. Hi guys, time check is 4:30. Time to drive. Guys, first stop 90 miles to 85 miles to empty. Nagpagas. Nakita ko lang tong truck na to, Manila Express. Siguro mga Philippine goods. Time check natin 5 AM. We're looking good. Bagong gising. 7:04 AM. This is 90 miles per hour. 140 kilometers per hour. Per hour, mother. 140. This is the Texas desert. I've been driving for an hour, and this is what you can see. We still have 15 hours to Vegas, baby. So I think 300 miles to El Paso. So 300 miles before we reach El Paso, and our gas is 169 miles to empty. So we need gas to reach El Paso. Hopefully there's a gas station. Ito guys yung parang mayon, kaso may utong sa dulo sa taas. Parang Bicol lang pala Okay guys, second gas namin $36. Kanina $18 kaya umaga. So sabi ko mahal ng gas dito $3 per gallon. $3 per gallon. Sa Houston $2.50 lang $2.50. Ay nako, malapit na dito. Ito yung lugar na malapit sa Big Bend. So puro alikabok at saka disyerto. Bumili si Mrs. ng meron daw fish sandwich kasi Friday ngayon, fish lang muna. We gotta brush our teeth. Done. Coffee. Guys, document ko pala, no? Carl's Jr. May potential na mawala to. Kasi actually nagsara na yung mga stores na yung mga Carl's Jr. sa amin eh. Hindi ko na alam sa Pilipinas, no? So usually mga gasoline station na lang ang may Carl's Jr. Pero yung actual na burger joint wala na sila eh, na restaurant. Naka-tie up lang sila dito sa gas station. Palit driver. Nakapag-coffee din. Tagal ko pa rin pa nag-drive 4 hours pero hindi ako napagod. 4 hours straight. Signal.
For about 246 miles.
Hindi ako napagod. Siguro dahil maganda yung tulog ko kagabi. Ang sikreto pala pag natulog ka dapat taas mo yung paa mo. Nakataas pa ako eh. Para yung blood pumunta sa brain mo. Grabe, parang nanaginip pa ako eh. 4 hours, di ako napagod, nagulat ako. Coffee muna tayo. Guys, tanghali ng Friday. Okay, ano ba, March 7 ba ngayon? So, imbis na fast food, sit down kami, kakain kami dito sa Cracker Barrel. Since maaga pa, marami pa kami time. Ano pa lang eh, 12 noon, tanghali pa lang dito. Tapos, mga 10 hours, 10 and a half hours na lang, eh meron pa bukas. Tsaka mamaya hapon hanggang gabi maka 7 hours pa kami. Okay guys, as always itong Cracker Barrel never disappoints. Sarap ng steak nila, ang sarap ng shrimp, fish. Si AJ order ng breakfast eh. Pwede ka order breakfast all day. Ito mashed potato. After namin mag lunch gas naman ulit dito na. We just crossed the boundary ng Texas and nasa New Mexico. Labs naman ulit. New Mexico 279 dito, mas mura-mura. $3 kanina.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up.
Look at the wind and dust.
Nagkaano pa to?
Wow, I'm going to pass this dust storm. March 7, 2025. Alright, we're entering the dust storm. Wow. Puta.
Ay,
Okay, I'm gonna slow down. I need to slow down.
slow down.
The dust storm is here. I'm gonna turn off the AC. Turn off AC. Look on the other side. Wow. Look on the rear side mirror. Car. Headlight. Oh, there's a mirror. Car. You see the car?
At least kita pa yung truck.
Yeah, I know.
Kanina hindi. Ayan, lumampas na tayo. Diba?
Ah. Oh, wow. I know.
Tumabi ka
No,
na.
not yet. I'm following them.
Mag-hazard ka.
Okay, gagayahin ko sila. Don't hit me. Don't hit me at the back. Wow.
Ay, daddy.
Wow. Wow, look. Wow.
Ay, ang masama na ang ano dito, storm. Dito,
Let's turn off the AC.
mag-start?
guys, we passed the dust storms and the rain. Look at the view. Restroom break. It's cold. It is cold. Woo. Left. Super cold. Guys, gas na naman. Dito namin sa Arizona and ito na yata pinakamahal, $3.14 ng isang galon. Okay, 1 gallon. Si Mrs. na pinaggas ko kasi inabad ko yung sapatos ko eh.
Alin dito? Talaga unleaded gas?
Yan. It's just a rest stop. Wow, look at the rocks. Hi guys, time check. It's 5:02 PM Arizona time. Nagpalit ng ng time zone. So sa Houston 6 o'clock na, dito 5 o'clock pa lang. And we have 6.5 hours left. 6.5 hours left. So ang target ko, mag-drive pa siguro ako 2 hours. Para bukas 4 hours na lang. Maaga pa rin kami. Arizona, ang Arizona mabato. Disyerto pa rin, mabato. Yung Mexico, disyerto at mabuhangin. Alikabok, eto mo. Overtaker. Guys, dito kami sa Tucson, Arizona. Siya Houston, parang Houston din. Parang urbanized. Pati yung traffic, parehas ng Houston traffic. Nag-switch na kami. Nag-decide kami, didiretso na lang kami in Vegas. 5 hours 30 minutes. Natakot yung sky, pati yung bundok. Sabi ko parang dyan nakatira yung kontrabida eh. Ganda yung bundok. Nag-decide kami, kain na lang kami dito sa Chandler, Arizona. Naghahanap na yan, pho. Maganda dito, Chandler, first time namin. Parang social yung yung lugar, pati mga kainan. It reminds us of Florida. Like it. Egg roll. Is it veggies? Hindi. Pork. Oh, that's good. Nice. Jen, AJ, that's yours. Uy, nabusog kami. As ang lamig dito sa Arizona, 49 degrees. Mas malamig pa sa Texas. Kaya ba nagdadrive, pinag-usapan namin miss ko nung maliit pa tayo, pinapakain tayo ng magulang natin ng gulay. Ayaw natin. Ngayon pag matanda na, gulay na hinahanap na.
Gulay na lang kakainin natin. Dahon na lang.
This is our campsite for tonight. Our campsite for tonight. Hotel Walmart.
One word. Ay.
Hotel Walmart. Nice place. Guys, bili muna kami ng mga items na kailangan namin. Ano yung pinapabili mami mo? Wipes? Yeah, ano pa? Sanitizer. 11 magsasara tong Walmart na to. So dapat naka-toothbrush na kami, naka-ihi and naka-CR kung kailangan bago magsara. Something to help. No, this is not sour. It's actually sweet.
This one.
Looking for something sour.
Celebrate. Sodium 40 milligrams.
Lemon, orange, lemon heads. Hindi kami doon yung brushing head.
Good.
Did you take a picture of me brushing? Time check, it's 10:14. All right, are you ready to sleep? Nobody needs to use the restroom. They're gonna close. They're closing in a few minutes.
45 minutes.
And
Mas sarado na kasi.
Mom, can I sleep right there? Can I sleep right there, Mom?
guys, ready na kami. Dito kami sa loob ng Ford Explorer. Yan, may libre pa kami wifi, no? Walmart. Kasi nag-set up ako. Yan lang yung Walmart sa ano namin, no? Yan. Yan yung Walmart. Guys.
Huwag mo nang sabihin.
Sabihin na, di na tayo.
Baka maawa si doktor sa akin.
It's part of the adventure. So pag naglagi ka sa Walmart, kailangan mo naman ng verification code. No, submit mo yung number mo. Yan, dito lang kami sa likod. Binaba namin yung second row, tsaka third row. Tapos may airbed kami. Yan, airbed. Air. Sagad yung pa ako. Pero may space pa eh. Yan. Lamig ngayon, 49 degrees. Ikaw, Jay. Ha?
Yes.
Guys. Okay guys, time check. It's 5:20 AM, no? Gising kami, lamig kasi. Tapos yung Walmart magbubukas pa ng alas 6. Sinara namin yung isang bintana. Initially 3 bintana yung nakasiwang, nakaawang. Yung sinara ko na to. And nag-moist na yung mga bintana. Talagang hindi na kami kita sa labas. Pero kung titignan mo sa parking lot, may mga iba rin nakapark na kotse. Kung makakasilip pa to, ay hindi kita. Ayun, may kotse din. So malamang mga nag-stealth camping din yung mga yan. Okay guys, time check. It's 6:50 AM. So 50 minutes nang bukas ang Walmart. Sisimula na dumami mga tao. Yan. Pero kagabi may mga kotse rin na natulog dito eh. Yan. Itong aming umaga sa Hotel Walmart. Yan. Ito pinakamalapit na spot sa store para masagat namin yung wifi nila. 24 hours yung wifi. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Time to go to the restroom. Time to go to the restroom. Time to go to the restroom. So I just use this to cover the window. Nobody bothered us the whole night. Oops, somebody's coming. Sorry. Slippers. Good morning. MTV Cribs. MTV Cribs. MTV Cribs. Okay, let's go. Come on. Let me show you the reason I use this, because this is new. It doesn't deflate overnight. The problem is this doesn't fit the Ford Explorer. With Expedition, size is just right. I use a moving blanket underneath. Okay, just to protect it. Step. Yeah, let's go pee. I know, go. We need to go to the... Going inside to brush your teeth, wash your face. Guys, so on our way to Vegas, 3.5 hours na lang. Wassenberg, Arizona yata to. Hindi ko gana tandaan yung pangalan. Kaso di ko makakalimutan yung price ng gas nila. Ito na yung pinakamahal, $3.65 per gallon. $3.65. Ito sa trip namin, ito na yung pinakamahal. So hopefully pagdating ng Vegas, parehas lang or mas mura. Pero malamang mas mahal. Ito yung lugar. We're not in a rush, so I'll just eat here. We'll just eat inside. No cell phone signal in this area. Cottonwood Canyon. That's it. I think that's the bridge. I got it. So, yeah, ito ang entry to Hoover Dam, but this is the bridge approaching on our right, ha? Mapapagal ako po.
On your right.
Yeah, on our right. This pop your ears. This is Nevada. We left Arizona, okay. On our right, you will see Hoover Dam.
On your right?
The heck? Oh, bato. Bato.
Doon? Doon?
Nakikita kaya? I don't know. Kita. Yeah. Yeah, you see it? Hoover Dam's supposed to be on the right.
Wala. Dito.
Is that it? Okay, that's it. What's on our...
Mali
Abort.
Ayun, andun.
Kami pala 3 miles pala.
Ayan, malapit na.
3 miles.
Malapit.
No stopping on... Okay, we're approaching the bridge.
na.
Is this the bridge?
Yes, this is the bridge. This is
Yeah,
the
may
bridge.
walkway. You
The
can't
bridge.
see it.
Yeah,
You can't see it. It's covered.
Ah.
Ayan o, may naglalakad o.
Ay, oo. Yan.
Ayan o, video mo yung mga tao.
Ayan o.
Wow.
Pwede dyan. Dami pa natin ginawa yan.
Nevada, ayan o.
Nevada.
Picture.
Nevada.
Pipilutin nila yung... Yan. Okay, Hoover Dam. I like Hoover Dam.
Ayun. Nandun.
I like Hoover Dam. Saan sila dumaan?
Ay, Henderson. Ayan na.
Pacific Time Zone. Here we go.
Pacific
Yes.
Time is
Change
Boulder City na. Nevada.
We're here. Not. What can you say about the hotel? I was the one who picked it. Is it nice? Is it My kids always give me a hard time in choosing a cheap hotel. I think this is. I've never been inside, but judging from the outside, Alexis Park and Resort Hotel. This is nice. Okay guys, dalawang isip kami. Ito ba talaga yung hotel na binok ko? Ang ganda eh. Can you hold the door? Nice. Nice. Sit down, find a spot. Here. Hey guys, I am really surprised about the hotel because I got it cheap. Oh yeah, they have their own steakhouse. Alex Gardens. Oh AJ, what can you say about our hotel? You can see our room for the first time. Okay. Yeah.
Other way.
There you go. What can you say, AJ? Nice. Nice. It smells good also. Right. Wow. Turn on the light. Hey! No, down. On the floor. Turn on the light. Good size.
Why? There's 3 of us. We can go.
That's a king bed.
There's 2 restrooms.
No, it goes through and through.
Huh?
Goes through and through. Yeah. I have a microwave. Okay, I'll just do
Fine.
separate
You can split it to
review later.